Number 3, personal year. Gaiety and social success are the keynotes of these 12 months. For the 3, personal year is meant for fun, socializing, and pleasure. Your personality will sparkle like a flame drawing moths as people gather around you whenever possible. Good contacts can be made in the course of this socializing, so you must be on the lookout for those that can be of value to you. Since 3 is the symbol of self-expression, you can use its powers to present yourself or your ideas to those necessary to your advancement in either business or your personal life. This is a good time to pop the question if you have been contemplating marriage for your sweat, SCINTILLATING personality is sure to win over your intended. This is also a perfect time for you to see whatever you have around that you want to sell, or the market will be at its peak for you in particular. Self-expression refers to words, either spoken or written, as it is easily they can work for you. That's how easy they can work against you. So weigh your words carefully. You could cause rifts where you had no intention of doing so. Words that come too easily are not always well thought out beforehand, and at a time when they are even more abundant than usual, the chance of using them as weapons must surely be avoided. Put them to use instead with friends and impress your associates, family, or employer. Writing is a perfect outlet for this power, even if you have never tried it before. Should you write a book, story, or proposal of an idea, your chances of selling it are very good now. If you don't have the inclination for such creativity, expressive letters to friends or relatives will be warmly received, and business letters highly thought of. Whatever you do, enjoy it. This should be a very happy, successful year for you if you accept the vibrations as they are meant to be received. Hard, unrelenting work will be better concentrated in another year. This does not mean that you should forego business or work of any sort altogether, of course. It merely means that you can enhance your affairs by enjoying them and making a pleasant game of everything. You only have the opportunity to do so once in your 9-year cycle, so make the most of it. As a homemaker, or even as a general laborer, you must use this year to improve your attitude, appearance, and environment. Buy yourself some new, bright, and attractive clothes. Dress in the current mode of fashion. Be with it. Change your hairstyle and fuss over your appearance, for the 3 vibration brings romance and affection, and you don't want to pass up your share of it. It will be some years before the time is right as it is now. 3 is also the number of sex, and you may very well find your sensuality increased immensely. This could lead to very passionate affairs or a sexual awakening. It means, too, that you will be attracted to purely physical relationships that you might not have considered otherwise. Eroticism will intrigue you, and there's no harm in indulging yourself in your romantic relationships. But go at it slowly, and your mate may not understand the sudden change in you. It can certainly enhance your relationship, so take advantage of the exciting vibrations that are yours this year.